Hi guys, how's it going? So I've been asked a few times how I achieve effects on my power swords, so I thought I'd give you a quick tutorial on how I do them. It's relatively simple to do with an airbrush and doesn't take very long. So hopefully this is how the power sword will look when we're finished. It's really only a tabletop level of painting, but I do think it's quite effective for the amount of time and effort you put into it. So we start off with three basic colours. So there is a white, I'm using Minotaur's Skull White, and then a light blue, I am using Minotaur's Troll Hide, and then a dark blue, I'm using Minotaur's Nebula Blue. I use these because they're airbrush ready and it's just quick and simple that way. So we start off by marking halfway down the sword. I'm using generic masking tape, nothing fancy. You will get a better effect if you use a higher quality of masking tape. So obviously the whole sword is sprayed with your white, and then we start with the light blue, and I leave a little bit of white at the top and the bottom of the sword, and you do the same on the other side as well. So now we go on to the dark blue, and we just spray this in the middle of the light blue. And obviously the same on the other side. I start by drawing the paint off on the masking tape itself, and then slowly moving it onto the sword. This is what you're left with after you remove the masking tape. So after the paint is dry, we mask the other side off, and then we start with the light blue, and we spray a bit at the top of the sword and then a bit at the base. Same again on the other side. I try and leave the same amount of white in the middle of the blade that I painted blue on the other side. So now back with the dark blue, and I just spray a bit on right at the end of the sword and right at the top of the base of the sword. So after you do the other side, that is pretty much it for the airbrushing. It doesn't take very long at all. You spend more time cleaning the airbrush out than you do actually airbrushing. So hopefully when you take off the masking tape, you are left with something like this. Like I said, if you use a high quality masking tape, that line down the middle is much crisper. It's just all I had on hand was the generic masking tape. So you can leave it there, and I tend to on my inventory models, but when I come to a character I like to make it a little bit more sharper, so I put an edge highlight of white all the way around the edge of the sword. You can also use this step to clear up any overspray you have with the blues.
So guys, as you can see, pretty simple to do. So make sure that your sword is painted all white first, and when you start off with your first light blue on the first side, I come up to about here and down to about here, and then the darker blue just in between the two ends there. And then when you come to your other side, exactly the same. And inside the blade, so the light blue so far up, I like to come so the two light blues are matching on both sides, the top and the bottom, and then your dark blue just on the tip there, right at the end. do the same for the other side. And then what I like to do then is paint the white across the whole edge. Just neatens it up a bit. And then if it's got one of these doodads, I don't know what they are, if they're power swords, I'll put a quick run of white on that as well.
Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please tell me what you think in the comment section below. Would you like to see more painting tutorials on the channel? As always, please like, comment and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one.